Hi, hello and welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing great. This video is about riding gear. So what all riding gear I use and some information about the riding jacket I use. So if you are planning to buy a new riding jacket, this video might be highly helpful, and let's go ahead. You would have seen it is raining crazily outside, so there might be a lot of rain sound in the capture. Please don't mind it. And yeah, so basically when you buy a riding jacket, the most important thing that has to be observed is the size, because the riding gear has to fit on you very snug, so that it doesn't wobble in air in times of a crash, or when we fall down accidentally. The armors that are in place in the riding gear should be like highly helpful for you to like recover faster and get the impact on a lesser rate. When I bought my first riding gear, I did not do the needed research, and then I ended up buying slightly bigger size riding jacket, which was like good. I was using it more than a year for some around 8 to 10 rides. It was good, but I felt it was not the correct way of buying a riding jacket. So what I basically prefer is buy something which fits you perfectly. For example, it should be like, as I said, you snug fit. It should not like move around anywhere, and the armors in the shoulders and the elbows, if you have chest armors, and should be like in place. For example, in my old riding jacket, the armor used to come down here. I used to adjust it every time to the elbow, which is like not the correct way of using a riding jacket. So before you buy it, have a check on it. Try two different sizes, the upper one, the lower one, everything, and then you decide your size of the riding jacket, so that you're going to use it for a long term. So budget. So investing on a riding jacket is like one time money, and we're going to use it regularly for a weekend ride, a weekdays ride, a long ride, anything. So it is going to give a comfortable feeling, and for South Indians I would prefer mostly mesh jacket, because mesh jackets are very good in breathing. So even in a hot weather, if you're rolling on a two-wheeler, you'll not feel the hot, the humid on your body. So the first riding gear I bought was an Aspida Atlas. It is a kind of entry level riding jacket in Aspida. It is around 3,800 to 4,000 rupees in price, around 2 years back. So it serves the basic purpose. It is all level 1 armor, so I don't recommend it anymore, but it is good. It for a beginner, if you want to try a riding jacket for a city use, yes, you can go for that one. And post that, we have to when we go for an upgrade or when we change the riding gear, it is better recommended to go for a bigger one, like in terms of quality and the armors. So recently I bought Rhinox Storm Evo riding jacket. So this is very comfortable, and the difference in quality from the Aspida Atlas to this one is like very huge, and the armors are very good, and it fits super good. Because as I said you, when I bought my first riding gear, I was not aware of the basic research, so I bought a bigger size, and which was like okay, but not great. So now after trying multiple times, I finalized this one. Let me show you how good the jacket is in visuals. The quality of the jacket is very good, and it's level 2 elbow armor, and level 2 shoulder armor, and the same on both the sides, one in the shoulder and one in the elbow, and it has a very good back protector. So I hope you can see the back protector here. And next one, the special with this is it has chest protectors. It has around 2 chest protectors, but the chest protectors are the quality of foam, not any CE graded chest protectors. If you want, we can replace it and then change it to level 1 or level 2 chest armors. Let me wear it and show it to you. Yes. So that is how it looks with the riding jacket on. So you can feel the correct fit of armors. So I can feel the armor here, and on place on the shoulders here, and as I said, chest protectors, and there is a armor at the back. So the quality of material used in Rhinox Storm Evo is like very good. You can see this soft material around the hand endings and the shoulders. It is kind of a soft material, so that it doesn't give a irritation feeling on a long ride or something. So we have two pockets here, both the sides, and we have one pocket which is waterproof inside, and you get two liners. One is thermal and one is water resistant, which is the rain cover. This is a thermal liner and this is the waterproofing liner. So both goes inside the riding jacket whenever we wanted, but basically in South India, like depending on the temperature, we don't use both the liners much, and we do carry it when you go for long ride so that we can wear it inside, and once you wear it, it goes completely waterproof. So they have given a zip so that we can feel the fresh air whenever we stop the bike sometime, and then zip it back and put the velcro. It is snug fit again. The most good part of this riding jacket is the mesh. So whatever the grey part, what we see here is completely mesh, so the air can go in and it is completely breathable. So when we are on a motorcycle on a highway, we don't feel that much of heat containing inside, so it enters and passes out. So other than that, it has got a quite number of reflectors, which is very good at night, and the complete lining here is a reflector both in the back and front, so it is super good in terms of visibility at night, and in terms of comfort it is extraordinary. It sits on you perfectly. So in the next video I will be explaining about the riding pants. I have bought this a long back, around a year back. So it is the same brand of Rhinox, and the series is called Advento. So I'll give you a brief about the riding pants, why I prefer riding pants more than knee guards. So what is the plus point in that and what all about it. So I will discuss that in the next video, and that's it. So I hope I have given a brief about the riding jacket. If there is anything required, you can always ask me at any time. This is up to my desire, like my wishing. So they have wide variety of riding jackets, so depending on what is good, you can go for it. Peace.